Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a Linux virtual machine that you can use to deploy free application. You can use for your ethical hacking project. It's a full lab for ethical hacking and cybersecurity, and you can also use it if you're into DevOps. So first I'm going to show you how to download a hypervisor. A hypervisor is where you're going to host your virtual machine, which is Kali Linux. So we're going to download two softwares. First is VMware and the second software is Kali Linux. So first head over to your browser and search VMware Workstation Pro. Just search VMware Workstation Pro. You can click on the first link. You see we have a download button here. You can click on this download and it will automatically start downloading. Next, go to your browser, search Kali Linux. Just type Kali Linux. Click on the first link. It will redirect you to this website. Now scroll down. There are so many options on this platform that you can choose. If you scroll down, you are going to see these options. You can either choose from VMware or VirtualBox. VirtualBox is another hypervisor you can use, but I always prefer VMware to VirtualBox. But I'm just going to go for this general option. You see this general option is 4.2 GB. So just click on the download arrow. It will automatically start downloading. You just wait. It might take some time depending on the speed of your network. Once download is completed, just search VMware in your system. You downloaded VMware already. You're going to see this icon, VMware icon. Just double click on it. Once you double click on VMware, it's going to open this interface. Click on create new virtual machine. Click on next. Select the second option, which is installer disk. It will take you directly to where Kali Linux was installed. Select the machine and click on open. Next, just click on next. Now it's a Linux machine, so we're going to select the version. We're going with the default version, which is Ubuntu. Click on next. Here you have to name your machine. I'll just name Ubuntu 1. Next, here I need to add the space I want to give to the virtual machine. You can add depending on what you have in your system. I'm just going to use 50, and make sure you click on store virtual disk as a single file. After selecting that, click on next. Here, click on finish. Now you have your virtual machine hosted here in this is VMware, which is your hypervisor hosting your Ubuntu machine. Just click on edit machine, some light configuration. Now we have our memory. You can use 2 GB, you can use 4 GB, but I'm just going to use 8 since I have enough memory. I'll click on OK. Another important thing, make sure your network adapter is set to NAT. If you don't have NAT, just double click on it. If it's set to bridge, make sure you change it to NAT and click OK. From here, you can power on your virtual machine now for the configuration. This is just you're hosting it, but you still need to configure it to work as a Linux virtual machine with all the tools. So Linux has so many tools configured and running in Kali Linux. After you power on your virtual machine, you're going to see this interface. Make sure you double click on graphical install and hit the enter button on your keyboard twice, so that they give you the graphical interface. If you delay more than 30 seconds, they're going to give you the command line interface. And if you're not used to using the command line, you will definitely be confused. This video is strictly for graphical interface. Just choose English as your language. American English is okay. Next. Here you see they say detect and mount tools, so it's loading installer and installing all the tools you need. These tools are built up with Kali Linux. You just need to follow these steps, these installation steps, to make the tools active and ready for use. This is going to take some time, so I'll just leave the video load. Wherever you see me making changes, make sure you pause the video and make the same changes, because there are some configurations that we need to set, like choices, or let me say they're going to ask you some few questions and you will need to partition and configure them according to how you want your machine to function, right? So just make sure you follow the video if this is your first time installing Kali Linux. So we'll just set our hostname as Kali, skip domain name. Here, username, I'll use Kali as my username. For password, I'll use the same thing. This is for demo purposes. You can set any password you want. Then make sure you set a password you remember, because if you forget, you might need to reinstall the whole machine again. Click on continue. Now just go with instinct. Click on continue. Just wait for the installation to proceed. Next, just click on this used entire disk. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on yes, continue. And here we're just going to wait for the installation to proceed. Let's finish up installation. Now our Kali Linux is launching. They're going to prompt you to put the password the credentials you earlier said, right? So the username I used was Kali. I don't know what you used, but if you use Kali as well, you're going to see the same interface. The difference might just be with the background or something, but the process is the same. So just double click on the name. Now put my password. And when I hit enter, it's going to take some minutes to load because it's newly installed. After loading, I'm going to see my Kali Linux interface. So this is my Kali Linux interface. You can see I have all the tools. These are the tools that were configured during the installation. We have all of them here. They are hacking tools. This is a platform specifically made for penetration testers and ethical hackers, but you can use it for multi-purpose. Like you can host websites locally, just like XAMPP, what XAMPP does. You can use it for hosting onion links. You can use it for so many different things. So if you want to learn how to use Kali Linux as a hosting server for your local deployment, if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to our channel. I'll be dropping more videos on how to use Kali Linux for multiple purposes. Don't forget to check out our channel on other videos on WordPress and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.